Hello, I am Sagar and I welcome you all to our channel Sagar on Wheels. So today we are at Biker Katta, our riding gear store in Kolhapur, and we will be talking about the weight of the riding jacket. The weight of the riding jacket affects how you feel when you ride. If your jacket is lightweight, you will feel less fatigue at the end of your ride. At the same time, if your jacket is heavy, then you might get some kind of pain in your shoulders, in your back. So in a lot of different scenarios, you prefer different kinds of riding jackets. If you are traveling at lower speeds, say if you're going off-road, ventilation is a concern, and that time you'd prefer a lightweight jacket. Today we'll be checking the weights of all Rynox riding jackets, starting from the Rynox Cypher all the way up to Rynox Advento Pro. We do not have two jackets today, that is the Apex and the Stealth Evo V4. All the jackets that we are considering today are in size L. So let's start checking the weight of all the jackets one by one. All the jackets here come with the hangers. They are like 70-80 grams, so that's a very small weight, so you can ignore it. This is the first Rynox Cypher GT. The jacket weighs 1.72 kgs. Next we check the weight of Rynox Helium GT3. The jacket weighs exact 2 kgs. We have the Rynox AirGT4, one of the best selling riding jackets from Rynox. The weight of the jacket is 2.12 kgs. Next we have another very hot seller, the Rynox Tornado Pro 4, and the weight of jacket is 2.5 kgs. Then we have the Stealth AirPro jacket. The weight of the jacket is again 2.5 kgs. It's quite surprising to see that the Stealth AirPro and the Tornado weigh the same. And here we have the newly launched Rynox Outlander Pro. So we also have a video of this jacket describing all the features, everything in detail. Do check it out. The weight of the jacket is again 2.5 kgs. Last but not the least, a wonderful jacket, the Rynox Advento Pro, and the weight of the jacket is 2.28 kgs. So this is lighter than the Stealth Air Pro and the Tornado as well. We will also check the weights of the other riding jackets, riding pants, all the luggage systems in the forthcoming videos. If you found the video useful, do hit the like button, comment which product would you like to check the weight next, and do share it with your rider friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. This is Sagar on Wheels signing off. See you in the next one.